Welcome to Cyberspace for Study channel. In this video, we are going to see the set 3 of March 2021 current affairs. The first question is, who has become the first ever batsman to score 3000 runs in T20 International? The answer is Virat Kohli. National Institute of Oceanography is going to launch project in Indian Ocean. What is the name of the project? The answer is genome mapping. President Ramnath Kovind recently attended the tribal congregation Vanavasi Sangam held in which district of UP? The answer is Sonbhadra. Who has become the first fencer from India to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics? The answer is Bhavana Devi. What is the theme of the World Consumer Rights Day 2021? The answer is Tackle Plastic Pollution. The Indian Army has leased 4 Heron unmanned aerial vehicles from which country? The answer is Israel. Shatrunjaya Hills Reserve Forest Area recently in news is located in which state? Gujarat. India's foreign exchange reserves has surpassed which country's reserves to become world's fourth largest? The answer is Russia. Which country overtook Saudi Arabia as India's second biggest oil supplier in February? The answer is United States of America. Gahirmata Beach seen in news recently is located in which state? The answer is Odisha. Which company is planning to buy majority stakes in online grocery seller Big Basket? The answer is Tata Sons. 3 days Kalanamak Rice Festival was organized in which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Each company has partnered with Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, and Google to develop new cloud-based 5G radio solutions. The answer is Nokia. Samsung India has set up a Samsung Innovation Lab at which university? The answer is Delhi Technological University. International Shooting Sport Federation Shooting World Cup 2021 is being held in which city? The answer is New Delhi. What is the theme of International Day of Action for Rivers 2021? The answer is Rights of Rivers. Who has been confirmed the Scotch Chief Minister of the Year Award 2021? The answer is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. National Dolphin Research Center is being set up in which city? The answer is Patna, Bihar. Amazon is setting up its first device manufacturing line in which city of India? The answer is Chennai. The ancient Kanchoth festival, a symbol of ancient Nag culture, was celebrated in which state or union territory? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The National Informatics Center has launched which instant messaging app platform on the lines of WhatsApp? Answer is Sandesh. Who has been awarded with the Genome Valley Excellence Award for 2021? The answer is Bharat Biotech. Which country participated in the Iran-Russia Maritime Security Belt 2021 exercise? Answer is India. Who has won the women's single title of Swiss Open 2021? Answer is Carolina Marin. Where was India's first World Silk Center inaugurated recently? The answer is Bhubaneswar. Where is the India's first forest healing center inaugurated? The answer is Uttarakhand. Which bank has launched the Smart Up Unnati Mentoring Program for women entrepreneurs? The answer is HDFC Bank. The booklet Bangi, which is released recently, showcases the tribal heritage of which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Who has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year award for 2020? The answer is Koneru Hampi. NTPC will unveil the country's largest floating solar power plant of 100 megawatts capacity in which city of Telangana? Answer is Ramagundam. Thank you for watching.